If you have any kind of e-commerce or SaaS business, you know the importance of having a strong team that's scalable. That's the bottom line here. If that entire structure isn't scalable, you're going to run into issues. Just like Facebook ads, Google ads, organic traffic, if the system isn't scalable, you just won't do the highest numbers that you can possibly do. And who doesn't want that? I feel like it's safe to say that one of the main objectives of running any business is to do as well as possible, and that comes with having a scalable model. We realized this early on, and we did a lot of research about CRMs and kind of where to find good employees, and there's more coming on that in future videos. For this video in specific, it's all about one CRM that we use called Gorgeous. About 2.5 years ago when I first started Ecom, back in 2018 of like May, around there, me and Anthony actually went to a Shopify meetup in Toronto, and we were brand new, had very little idea what we were doing with Shopify, but we still went and pulled up, and we learned a lot. And the CEO of Gorgeous was actually there. Now, I do forget his name now. I'll throw with his face for fun, but we learned a thing or two. We knew that having a team that was, really easy to manage was important. No one likes spending too long training someone just to fire them, etc., etc. So we started using Gorgeous, and it's pretty killer. In essence, Gorgeous can do a couple things. Number one, they group all of your email tickets, live chat tickets, Instagram comments, Facebook comments, DMs, and all that stuff in one place for your employees or for you to monitor. So if you have a team of 3 employees, instead of them having to log into your IG and all this kind of stuff and having a separate live chat app, Gorgeous does it all for you. I'll throw up their pricing right here just to see kind of where you kind of fall within their requirements. Again, a ticket is basically whenever someone inquires about an issue with shipping, this and that, this and that. There's automated responses. The most efficient part of this was the scalability. It's easy to explain to employees, customers don't go unanswered, and overall it's just an awesome kind of thing. Now there are a few alternatives, and I'll throw them up here. The first one I can think of is called Zendesk. They're pretty good as well. They all have their ups and downs. We talked to a few other e-com owners who own big brands, and they also recommended Gorgeous, so we gave it a shot. We're excited to see how it goes. We can always switch off afterwards, but we're with them. Just to kind of bottom line their features, it groups everything into one place. You have a professional looking live chat. You see exactly how many tickets you're getting per day. You can assign certain people to certain tasks, have automated templates and responses, all that good stuff, so none of your customers go unheard. And it's just scalable. It's just easy and scalable. You don't have to worry about like an employee knowing your Gmail login or like your Instagram login or like missing a DM because there's so many. It's all in one place. It's all super easy. We try keeping these videos super quick and straight to the point, and so I know that's how this one turned out. If you want to join a community full of a lot of like-minded people just like you who run their own company of some kind of sort, hop on my Discord server. It's linked down below. It's free to join. There's tons of people just chatting up every single day in the SaaS industry, e-commerce industry, there's software developers, all that good stuff is in there. So if you don't join, you're missing out. Yes, there's scaling your ads and going big on ads and doing well there, but if you have an influx of customers and an influx of customer support tickets, this is the solution for you. If you have 1,000 units of your bestseller being shipped somewhere and that shipment is delayed or it's lost, you're going to get a big increase in tickets. And having it all in one place and just making sure nothing goes unanswered is huge. And you know that. And this is going to lead to a higher feedback score on your Facebook page, better overall reviews when people actually get their item, so on and so forth. So I hope this helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.